Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, e get one video when I see. I don't know what our guests want use their self turn to again. No, me I don't really know. Before I be think say na men, na they carry women, they rape them, they do anything what they want to do. But now, now our guests now, they can see the rape man. Eh? When I see him, I shocked her eyes. 3 girls for one guy. The boy, they cried. They tied the boy hand. They tied the boy hand for whether you offend one of them, me I don't know. They tie his hand. They tie her for a bed. Then one of the girls climbed the boy. They said that if you see the way they do the boy, like the way me I go see one deal with women now, but they beat him. They do anything way they want to do. That's what those girls can't do. I shocked her life when I see the video, my people. I say, what's going to happen for this world now? So now guess now can see they do all those things. Now guess can't they rape men, not be men now they rape women again. When I see them, I shocked her life though. So guys don't see learn for what men they do. My people. Hey, not the way we not go see. Not the way social media, not the way we not go see. If I need the video, una fit private chat me, I will send her for una because that video I don't fit put her for here, my people, because of YouTube. My people, when I see the video, I shocked her eyes. You know, say before that Kenya woman we first see, only she with 3 men. Now, guess 3 guests with one guy. The guy they cry. The other one they say she been at your ex-boyfriend because they not man now. Now they crazy. I say okay, so you break one out. Now all of them just want to deal with the boy. When I want to keep my picking like that. See, guys, so babes, they verse now. Hey, my people. If you see some kind video, you just shocked her lies, eh? You go to surprise, say, I'm mama born on those ones. What did they surprise me for inside now? Those videos will be said, the video they are saved, they'll come, they carry on social media. They're not the shame I'll be waiting. This one a shame and disgrace now. Okay. Tomorrow now, una dey your una body dey cash una. Una no know so una will marry tomorrow. Una will come say, ma come forget all those life. I want change. Ma come marry. Your past, and that time your past will come haunt you. Then that time your past will come. You say, oh, my past don't come. Oh, wetin I go do? Wetin I go do? Oh, that video. You remember that video when I do that time? Now they come so. Now they come so. That time, man, you don't see me a poor eye again. Shame and disgrace. Now we're going to follow you that time. Shame. Eh? Me would they live well? Because when you go set, when you go want to live decent life, now those your past will come, they come. When they do all those ones, now those video and say finish. My once send and put her for social media with your nakedness, everything. Shame not can just deal on her eye again. See guys where they now I don't maybe for they learn all those things. So look, I want them to send a guest cut with this one now. Me, I don't understand. Okay, now this one they do big guests now. Be waiting. Guests who consider they carry men now, carry man, they put for a bed, they jogodo one after the other. They slap the boy, they do the boy anything. So now when you consider the rain for guests now. We first see that Kenya woman that they with the shot. Now another one still come again. Like seriously. Oh, I guess I don't understand now. I don't know what they happen again for the world though. Whether the world won't end, so nobody know. Because different things look on the apple now. Me, I don't understand again, my people. I don't understand. The thing the thing they shockalize me when I was young. See guess where mama born. The mama will come see this kind of thing now. The thing don't full social media now. The thing now don't spread for everywhere. It don't spread. Eh? Me, I don't understand though. Who need the video if you private chat me? I'll send out for them because that kind of video will not be video where they show at all. Eh? Our guests just can't turn to another tea for this world now. Whether the Nigeria one for happen, I don't just know. I don't really know where for the thing they tire me really. Guests of nowadays, I don't understand una again, really. Una better change. Una better change before it go too late for una. Really. Una better change, my people. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. And remember your friend, your sister, your everything, your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe. So anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section down below. Thank you.